termite infestation in the conference hall of Goa University. Very heavy termite infestation from the basement reaching up to the roof. This damage is heavy termite infestation. The termite have now this hall is under renovation, but there is a lot of damage done by the termites. Looks like there is no treatment given to the basement. So this is dangerous because it can finish the woodwork completely. The termites indicate that anti-termite treatment is required for this. Without anti-termite treatment, it is not going to work.